You open an app at 2 a.m. feeling overwhelmed. A friendly chatbot asks how you're doing. And for the first time that day, you answer honestly. Is it therapy? Or is it just code in disguise? Today, we explore the growing role of AI in mental health and ask, can it help without replacing human care? Welcome to SkillSync AI, where we examine how artificial intelligence is changing the way we work, live, and care for each other. Mental health has reached a critical inflection point. Global anxiety and depression are on the rise. Therapist waitlists are growing longer, and the demand for accessible 24/7 support has never been higher. Enter AI. Tools like Wobot, Wysa, and Tess are offering on-demand chat-based support, guided by cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, machine learning, and structured dialogue. But can these tools truly support someone in distress? Or are they just digital band-aids? Let's break it down. 1. What are AI therapy bots? At their core, mental health chatbots are rule-based or AI-enhanced agents trained to simulate a supportive conversation. Most are not general-purpose chatbots. They're built using evidence-based frameworks like CBT, ACT, DBT, research from clinical psychologists, natural language processing, to detect mood, tone, and patterns. Examples include Wobot, a friendly, CBT-based app with evidence of reducing depression symptoms. Wysa, an anonymous AI coach plus human therapist accessed replica, less clinical, more conversational. These tools aren't pretending to be therapists. They're offering a first line of support. 2. What can they actually do? Despite their limitations, AI mental health tools are doing more than you might think. Mood tracking. They help users identify emotional trends and trigger CBT journaling. They guide structured writing exercises to reframe negative thoughts, mindfulness prompts. They offer grounding and breathing techniques, crisis redirection. They refer users to emergency services if needed, conversation rehearsal. Users can simulate stressful situations, like conflict or public speaking. For many users, it's like having a non-judgmental companion, available anytime, anywhere. 3. Do they actually work? This is where it gets interesting. A Stanford-led study found that Wobot led to significant reductions in depression and anxiety symptoms after just 2 weeks of use. Wysa has over 500 million conversations logged, with consistent user feedback that shows increased emotional awareness and reduced stress. And unlike static self-help apps, these tools adapt, asking smarter questions as they learn more about you. For users who aren't ready or able to see a therapist, these bots provide early engagement and non-threatening entry points into care. 4. Where AI falls short in mental health, but let's be clear, AI is not a therapist, and it shouldn't try to be. Its limitations include lack of deep context. AI can't fully understand trauma, history, or culture, limited emotional nuance. It may misread tone or miss subtle cues, ethical boundaries. If someone discloses abuse, suicidal ideation, or complex psychiatric needs, AI lacks judgment, privacy risks. Some apps have unclear data sharing policies. Even when models are sophisticated, they are still simulations, not empathetic beings. That matters, especially in moments of crisis, or when navigating complex feelings like grief or identity. 5. AI as a tool for therapists, not a replacement. So here's where AI shines. Augmentation, not substitution. Therapists are using AI to track session notes, analyze language for signs of emotional shift lag, burnout risk in healthcare workers, suggest prompts between sessions. Platforms like Spring Health, Ginger, and Lyra use AI to match users with therapists and provide 24/7 AI coaching in between human sessions. This hybrid model is promising, offering scalability without sacrificing human care. One therapist compared it to a digital co-therapist that never sleeps and knows when to step aside. 6. Early detection and preventative care. AI is also being used upstream to catch mental health concerns early. Schools are piloting sentiment analysis tools in student journaling platforms. Companies are using AI to detect signs of burnout in employee emails, or Slack crisis text lines are triaging faster with AI flagging high-risk language. This doesn't replace clinical care, but it enables faster response, better triage, and proactive outreach. 7. Ethical guardrails and the human factor still. AI in mental health raises serious ethical questions. What if a chatbot mishandles a crisis? Can users form unhealthy attachments to bots? Who owns the emotional data being collected? These tools must be transparent in their limitations, designed with opt-outs and escalation paths, monitored by clinicians and ethicists. And most importantly, users must know when they're talking to a bot, and when it's time to talk to a human. AI won't replace therapists, but it can help more people get support earlier, faster, and more frequently. Whether you're checking in with Woebot or booking a hybrid session through Wysa, these tools can extend the reach of care without trying to replicate the humanity behind it. If you believe AI can support well-being without replacing what matters most, hit subscribe to SkillSync AI. Comment below, would you talk to an AI about your mental health, or is that a line we shouldn't cross? Tomorrow, we look back on the week at all the amazing ways in which AI is enhancing jobs in the medical industry.